Hey, Toilet fam, it is time to tour our room. So we are in balcony cabin room 14111. Let's check it out.
Cruising to paradise, loving the air. With every sunset, Malik and Misha are there.
Welcome
to Love and Adventure.
All right, we're outside cabin 14111, and this is a standard balcony cabin here on the MSC Seascape. As soon as we step inside, the first thing that stands out is the design. Everything feels very modern and European, with these light maple wood tones that make the room feel bright and clean. Right here by the door, you'll notice the key card slot. You'll need to insert your cabin card to activate the lights and power in the room. Now, let's take a look around and just take it all in as we walk toward the balcony. As we move forward, on the left-hand side, you've got a full-length mirror. And directly across from that, on the right, is the king-sized bed. Stepping outside onto the balcony, you can already see how much natural light this cabin gets. It's a great spot to relax, watch sailaways, or just enjoy the ocean breeze throughout the cruise. Heading back inside, directly across from the bed is the flat-screen TV, mounted on the wall and easy to view from pretty much anywhere in the room. Below that is the combo desk and dresser area, which gives you a nice mix of workspace and storage. Across from the desk is the sofa, and just to be clear, this is not a pull-out sofa bed. Turning back toward the balcony, this is a good moment to take in the entire room layout. As we turn left toward the desk wall, you'll see the cabin phone mounted above the desk. Next to it is an additional vanity mirror, and beside that are storage shelves, which are great for smaller items. Below the shelves is a small cooler-style mini refrigerator, perfect for keeping drinks cold. Right here on the wall, you'll also find a solid mix of power options: two 120-volt 60Hz outlets, two 230-volt 50Hz outlets, and two USB outlets, located just below a magazine and brochure rack. On both sides of the bed, you've got nightstands with wall-mounted reading lamps and light switches. On this side of the bed, there's also a USB outlet built into the wall, which is really convenient. The other side has the same setup, just without the USB. Now, let's check out the storage. There are two closets in this cabin. The first one offers hanging space, and the second closet includes 3 drawers, along with modular shelving that can be removed if you need extra room. And finally, heading into the bathroom. It's a small but very modern bathroom, with white tile and chrome fixtures throughout. The shower is glass enclosed and surprisingly spacious for a cruise ship bathroom. Inside the shower, you'll find wall-mounted dispensers with body wash, shampoo, and conditioner, which keeps everything neat and simple.
Alright, we got a stocked mini bar and cooler, because it ain't a refrigerator. But it ain't free. You got the prices, baby?
Yep, the spirits are $14. The fruit juice is $4.50. Soda's $3.50. And the sparkling water is 32 ounces, $5.25. And 16 ounces, $3.25. If you want a Corona Extra, that is $9, and a Heineken is $9.
So you basically paying the same price you would get at a bar.
And then potato chips are $5.
Are they? Oh yeah, they're right there.
Some Pringles. Once you pop, you can't stop. But you shouldn't at $5 a pop. And then nuts are $4.50. I will not get any late night cravings in here.
Nope.